Hello friends, welcome back one more time on my YouTube channel Dr. Nilesh Advice. I wish you must be healthy and hearty, fit and fine. What is today's topics? Today's topic is related to each and every parent. It is related to the tooth health or the dental health of the child. Many children are suffering from the tooth caries or the tooth cavities at very younger age group. We are seeing the children of 2 years of age group, 3 years of age group having the tooth caries and the tooth cavities. How this situation or how this problem is coming up? Why such a smaller age group children are suffering from the tooth caries and the cavities? There are many reasons for that. We will discuss one or two commonest reasons for that one, and how we can protect our children from getting the dental caries or the cavities. So this video is all about related to the dental hygiene. Friends, few days before, I have a child who is just 3 years of age and having multiple dental cavities. The child has to undergo root canal treatment of multiple teeth. And that's how I decided, let me make one video on that one. Let me make one video on the dental caries and the cavities. So how these dental caries or cavities come up? What happened? Basically our teeth are layered with some or other type of the bacteria. When we are brushing at that time, we are removing the harmful bacteria. But if you are not brushing for a prolonged time, those bacteria start eroding the tooth. Once they will start eroding the tooth, we will develop the dental caries or the cavities. One of the habit of the babies, of the infants when they are on the bottle feeding. Bottle feeding is very important cause of the getting the dental caries and the cavities. Why bottle feeding is a very important cause of getting this dental caries and the cavities? Because most of the time what happens that when the child is taking the milk from the bottle, after taking the milk from the bottle, child sleeps and mother is not able to clean the tooth or the gums. That's why the sugar which stays over the tooth will start eroding the tooth and the children are getting the dental caries as well as the cavities. This problem is very common in the infancy age group who are on the bottle feeding. Breast milk is relatively protecting the tooth from getting caries or the cavities. But breast milk we cannot continue more than 1.5 or 2 years of the age. So when we should start the brushing the child? So how to take care of the tooth of the child? Many parents has the belief that we have to brush the tooth once it erupts or once the child will become 1.5 or 2 years of the age. It is not like that. As soon as the tooth erupt, you have to start the brushing. Before the eruption of the tooth, you have to clean the gum. If you are not able to clean the gum, then it might cause the trouble for the new coming tooth. That's why we are not advising to start the sugar before 1 year of age. If you are starting to give the sugar before 1 year of age, make sure that you clean the gums. If you are not able to maintain the good cleaning habits of the gum and the tooth, children are going to get the caries or the cavities. Second important thing is to choose the appropriate toothpaste. You have to choose the toothpaste which is appropriate for that age, and mostly it is a non-fluoride toothpaste. I don't recommend any brand name in my video, so I am not telling you any brand name, but make sure that as per your location it should be the non-fluoride toothpaste. Whenever you go and buy the toothpaste, you check the age group on the label. Based on that you buy the toothpaste. Third important thing is to clean the tongue. Tongue cleaning is very important because there are a lot of bacteria which stays on the tongue, and if you don't clean the tongue, those bacteria also grows and it will give the very bad health of the oral cavity. Bad oral health of the cavity increases the incidences of the tooth cavities and the tooth caries. Third important thing is to whenever you are introducing the sugar in the diet, brushing is very important. At least twice a day the child should brush. Before sleep it is very important, because if the child drinks something or drink the milk and sleep, then overnight the sugar of the food stays over the tooth and it will start eroding the tooth. So what are the important steps for the prevention of the dental caries and the cavities? Number one, as far as possible avoid the bottle feed. Second thing, if you are giving the bottle feed, then make sure that you clear the gums, you clean the gums, and once the tooth erupts you start cleaning the tooth as well. Even the first tooth is erupted, you have to clean it. If you are not able to use the toothpaste, then even with just a cloth you should clean the tooth. So dental hygiene, tooth hygiene is very important to prevent the child from getting any dental caries or the cavities in the future. I hope I have cleared most of the doubts related to the brushing and the dental health and dental caries. If you still have any question, you can put in the comment box. I will answer that. Thank you very much.